Are you wondering why the stock market is making headlines lately? Let's break it down. Between April 28th and May 2nd, 2025, we saw an incredible market rally. Major indices surpassed previous highs, with the S&P 500 climbing 2.85% and the Nasdaq 100 soaring 3.45%. This was driven by strong earnings reports and relief over reduced inflation fears. Understanding this rally is essential for investors. Many key players, like NXP Semiconductor, Microsoft, and Meta Platforms, posted impressive results. Plus, positive rumors about trade negotiations added fuel to the fire. However, we must remain cautious. Despite the positive trends, a market correction could be on the horizon. The week ahead from May 5th to May 9th will be critical. Several macroeconomic events are set to influence market sentiment. On May 5th, we'll see the S&P Global Services PMI. A reading that disappoints could create jitters among investors, especially after March's drop in ISM Services PMI. Then, on May 6th, the U.S. 10-year note auction will take place. Investors are keen to decipher what the yield says about future interest rates. Strong buyer interest typically indicates confidence in U.S. debt. Mark your calendars for May 7th, as it's when the Federal Open Market Committee will meet. Investors are not expecting a rate cut, but the outcome could determine market trends. Next, on May 8th, the Bank of England will reveal its interest rate decision. Predictions are mixed, and a rate cut could invigorate the market. On May 9th, keep an eye on U.S.-China trade discussions. China is evaluating trade negotiations, but is firm on their demands regarding existing tariffs. The stalemate might lead to market turbulence. Investors should focus on their strategies for May. The saying, "sell in May and go away," has some truth, especially with tariffs and economic data weighing heavily on the market. Our analysis suggests a careful approach. The historical performance of May shows variability, and caution is warranted this year. For your investment strategy, consider key levels in major indices. The S&P 500 has broken through its 200-day EMA, aiming for its next resistance at 5,797. However, the outlook hints that a correction may come soon. The Nasdaq 100 shows similar trends. As we approach earnings season, major tech players like AMD and Appluvin will be pivotal. AMD's exposure to U.S.-China trade issues raises red flags, while Appluvin's earnings expectations have analysts excited. In conclusion, while recent market performance appears strong, uncertainties linger. Be vigilant and review your investment plans. If you want to stay updated on market movements and insights, subscribe to our services for tailored advice and strategies. Take your next step now. Stay informed, stay prepared, and make the most of your investment decisions this May.